In this demonstration, recorded on June 8, 2026, we will use our current model Small-Ball Rebound Hardness Tester, eNM3A10, to measure the rebound hardness of a standard block for hardness. Connection cable. Display unit. Testing machine main unit. 2A batteries for the display unit. To standard blocks for hardness with rebound hardness values of approximately 0.63 and 0.86, used to determine whether the testing machine is operating correctly. Instruction manual. We install the batteries in the display unit. Based on our experience, battery life is good, although it depends on the operating environment. We can also use AA rechargeable batteries. We can also power the display unit via USB. We connect the cable to the display unit. We then connect the other end of the cable to the testing machine main unit. We turn on the main unit. We press the mode button repeatedly until the display shows the rebound hardness, or coefficient of restitution E. Now, let's look at the testing machine main unit. As shown here, the 3mm alumina ball indenter is currently in the free state. To set the ball indenter to the launch position, while pressing this release pin, we push the unit downward until it clicks. Then, the ball indenter is now set to the launch position. We can now press the launch button. If the E on the display unit is blinking, the device is ready, and we can start measuring immediately. When we press the launch button, the ball indenter is launched, and the hardness value is displayed. If the blinking stops due to a timeout, we simply press the set button to return the device to the ready state and continue measuring. We will now actually measure the rebound hardness of a standard block for hardness. We will use a standard block for hardness with a rebound hardness of 0.864. (0.864), 0.866, 0.864, 0.865, 0.865. This concludes our demonstration.